In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a job application tracker in Airtable. We'll start by creating a brand new base. Head to airtable.com and log in. On your workspace, click Add a Base, then choose Start from Scratch. Give it a clear name so it's easy to find later. Job Application Tracker works perfectly. This will be the home for all your hiring data, keeping everything consistent and searchable. Inside the new base, rename the default table to Applications. Now we'll set up the fields that make this tracker truly useful. Add a single-line text field called Candidate Name for the applicant's full name. Add another single-line text field for job title so you know which role they applied for. Create a department field and set it to single select, then add options like HR, marketing, sales and engineering. For dates, add a date field called application date to record when the application came in. Next, create application status as a single select with the stages applied, screening, interview, offer, hired, and rejected. Add an email field to store the candidate's contact. And finally, an attachment field called resume, so you can upload documents directly to each record. Quick note, you'll find a link to Airtable at the very top of the description so you can get started right away. Before we build views, enter a few sample records. Add a couple of candidates with names, their job titles and a status like applied or interview. This test data will help you see how everything looks and behaves as you work. Next, set up views to quickly focus on what matters. Click. Add a view and make a grid view called All Applications for your full pipeline. Create another view called Interview Stage. Then add a filter where status equals interview. Finally, create a view called Hired Candidates and filter status equals hired. These views give HR instant access to candidates at each stage without scrolling through noise. To make the pipeline easier to scan, click the application status field and assign distinct colors to each status. For example, you might use green for hired and a neutral color for applied. Color coding helps your team spot priorities at a glance. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share in the top right corner. Invite your HR team members by email and choose the right permission level, either editor if they'll make changes, or viewer if they only need to look. That's it. Your Airtable job application tracker is ready to use. Thanks for watching.